Myself Swati Jain. I am Social Study Lecturer of Swami Atmanand Government English Medium School Sector 6 Bhilai. Today I am explaining about the first chapter of class 9th of Social Science, that is the Geography section, and the first chapter name is Cartography and the Study of Map. Today I am dealing the topic of scale. First of all, I will tell you the definition of scale. The scale of a map is the ratio of distance on the map to the corresponding distance on the ground. We can say that the scale on a map show the size of area represented by the map. For example, a scale of 1:10,000 on a map means that the 1 millimeter on the map is the same as 10,000 millimeter in reality. 10,000 millimeter is the same as 10 meter. Different map have different scale, such as 1:50,000 or 1:25,000. Or we can say that scale is the ratio of map distance upon ground distance. Or we can say that map scale indicate how much area of a map covers. The scale represent the ratio of a distance on the map to the actual distance on the ground. You can see the image of scale in my screen. There are three types of scale. The first type of scale is word statement scale, and the second type of map scale is linear scale, and the third type of map scale is representative fraction. So let's start the first type of scale, that is word statement scale. What is word statement scale? The statement scale is a type of map scale expression in which scale is expressed in form of a written statement. For example, 1 centimeter on the map represent 10 centimeter on the ground. This can also be expressed in short as a 1 cm express the 10 km or 1 cm to 10 km. Or we can say that a word statement scale gives a written description of scale, such as 1 centimeter equals to 1 kilometer or 1 centimeter equals to 10 kilometers. You can see the image of word statement scale in my screen. Or we can say that what is word statement scale? The word statement scale is that when you make a statement saying what is the distance on the map represent on the ground, you may say that the 1 centimeter measure on the map represent 1 kilometer measured on the ground, or 1 centimeter to 1 kilometer. Notice that the statement mention two distance. The smaller distance refer on the map and the larger distance refer to the ground. For the statement scale, the distance on the ground is always given in kilometer or meters. Thus, in this case, the distance of 1 centimeter on the map represent a distance of 1 kilometer on the ground. This is word statement scale. Now I am telling about the linear scale. What is linear scale? Linear scale is also called bar scale, scale bar, graphic scale or graphical scale. It is a means of visually showing the scale of a map, nautical chart, engineering drawing or architectural drawings. Or we can say that in geography, a linear scale is a bar or line graphic that shows the distance on the map that is equal to a real world distance such as 100 miles, or we can say that a linear scale shows the distance between two or more prominent landmarks. The linear scale on the map is a set of lines or dotted dots that represent a landmark. You can see the image of linear scale. Look at here. The linear scale uses a line drawn on map that is divided into units such as kilometers, meters. Each unit brings representative of a distance in the real world. Or we can say that a linear scale is like a special kind of ruler that is divided into units of distance. Now I am telling about the representative fraction scale. Look at here. The third type of scale for map making is representative fraction scale. It shows the relationship between the map distance and the corresponding ground distance in units of length. Representative fraction is generally shown in fraction because it shows how much the real world is reduced to fit on the map. Scale that has a representative fraction of 1:100 means that every one unit on the map equals 100 of the same unit on the ground. Or we can say that the scale is given as a fraction 1/10 as a ratio 1:10. What does it mean? Is that one unit measure on the map stand for 10 of the same unit on the ground. You can see the image of representative fraction scale in my screen. The representative fraction scale as a ratio, for example 1:50,000. It's mean one unit on the map represent the 50,000 of the same unit on the earth surface. Now I am telling about the difference between representative scale and linear scale. Look at here. First of all I am dealing about the linear scale. A linear scale is the result of special type of unit of distance. A linear scale is a graphical scale that shows the large scale map and chart as legends and show the range of latitudes covered on the map. And representative fraction scale. Representative is the ratio of division of distance on the map to that of the distance on the ground surface and is represented by 1:25,000 that state the 1 inches on the map is shown by 25,000 inches on the ground. Now I am telling about the sum assessment question which is based on today's explanation. Look at here. The first fill-ups is 100 centimeter means 1 meter, and the second fill-ups is scale determines the distance between the two places. The third one, there are 3 types of scale are used in map. If the distance between the two places is 50 kilometer, then according to the scale 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. the distance between them in map will be 5 centimeter. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.